Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Hoffman. I prefer to go by Liz though. It's nice to meet all of you. I am from Pennsylvania, northeastern PA, near the Poconos. Right now I'm working as a case manager in Hazleton, Pennsylvania for a company called Catholic Social Services. We just started a brand new program called the Bridge to Independence program, where we service young adults with mental health issues ages 18 to 26 years old who just need some help getting through that next step of living on their own. So we are similar to a residential program, but less restrictive. I've been a caseworker for about 4 years now in a couple different areas in Pennsylvania. Right after school, I started working in the field. I went to school at Penn State University and got my degree in Health and Human Development. Some other things about myself. I love to be outdoors. I love hiking. I spend a lot of time with my puppy named Maddie. And I am excited to get started with this program at Widener University. I'm kind of nervous just to regulate my schedule and everything, but we are all in the same boat, so I'm sure we will all be okay. But I'm very excited and I'm looking forward to it and getting to learn all this new material to put towards my career. But it's nice meeting you all, and I'm excited for this new journey.